Hi, my name is Chaudary, and my student ID is 02182721, and my instructor is Michael Fulton. And I'm going to give presentation on the Industrial Revolution of Great Britain, the topic I've chosen. Uh, I'm going to first explain about the origins of the Industrial Revolution in Great Britain. So yes, the Industrial Revolution is not only connected to Britain but to the whole of the world. However, I'm gonna discuss about the Industrial Revolution in Great Britain and how it has greater impact on the European society because most of the countries were ruled by the Great Britain. For example, India, uh, Canada having British colonies, uh, America as well. We can say that these all countries have ruled by the British colonies, and they have used their resources. So it really helped them uh, to uh, for sourcing all the materials, all the labor they have. That's really helped them to have a greater revolution in terms of business and trade. Uh, there's another question arises from this, that how did the industrial revolution started in Britain. So it started to begin around 1750, but until 1850 Britain became the wealthiest country in the world. uh, and the reason behind they became so successful in the world: uh, minerals, transportations, railways. These all the things have a greater impact on their uh, in development of their industrial revolution. So the first I'm going to explain about the minerals. So Britain had a lot of mineral resources. Uh, they transported minerals from different other countries, and moreover the Britain is so small, so the transportation cost is also small, and they had no customs or taxes because they have no barriers because uh, uh, they have most of the laws they have made in their favors, or they have a superior authority over other countries. uh, Moreover, British has a vast empire. They have their merchant marine. For example, they ruled India like for 100 years, and whatever have the resources, they transport it over to Britain through the uh, uh, merchant marine. And there's another factor that really helped to in the development of Britain, is a steam engine. In the 18th century, the cotton industry is a very big industry for the Britain. Uh, the cotton weaving is also done was also done in India and other countries as well. But in 18th century, the cotton industry relied on traditional method of productive cotton goods. But the invention of steam engine gave boost to the production of cotton goods. Steam engine has played a very important role in the development of industrialization in Britain. Uh, a steam engine required only coal, and Britain had a lot of coal as compared to traditional. They're using the horses, so it saves their time, and it really revolutionized the trade in Britain. In 1760, this is the data I'm going to explain year by year. In 17, Britain had imported 2.5 million pounds of raw cotton, and in 1787, Britain imported 22 million pounds of cotton. And by 1840, because of this steam engine and better transportation, 360 million of pounds of cotton was imported. So it's a big difference because as technology kicks in. And there's a transportation guard better. The third point is transportation facilities in the British got better by the 18th century. Railroads played an important role in industrial revolution of Europe. The railway got involved the Europe is in Europe as early as 15th century. By 18th century, the railway transformed radically better because of the steam engines. So all these factors helped to revolutionize the industrialization in Britain. And the first railroad line was mile from Liverpool to Manchester. In 1840, Britain railroad extended to 2,000 miles. However, 1850, the railroad expanded to 6,000 miles. So this is really have great impact on industrialization in Britain. That's all. Thank you.